Hello everybody, it's me, Santa, and with the big day done, and now I'm on vacation, so I'm headed down to Florida on a road trip instead of flying, and I came straight through Sudbury for the chance to call their $30,000 early bird winner. Join me now while I spread some good news.
Hello?
Hello, is this Adam?
Yeah, it is.
Adam, you're going to find this hard to believe, but this is Santa calling from the Health Sciences North Foundation for the HSN 50/50.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, excellent.
Do you have anything that maybe didn't make its way under the tree that you were looking for?
Of course.
Well, I've got some pretty excellent news for you today, Adam.
Oh my God, what's that?
You won $30,000 in our early bird prize this morning.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Oh my God, thank you.
How about that for a December 27th little gift for you?
Oh my God, thank you.
By the sounds of it, you might be able to put some use to that $30,000. Don't miss your chance to become the newest HSN 50/50 millionaire. Buy your tickets before 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, December 28th.